Hi everybody! So in this lockdown I've learned many new skills. Some of them have been baking in a pressure cooker. So yeah, baking in a pressure cooker has been a very interesting experience, and my nanny used to do it all the time, and she used to tell me stories of how she used to bake in a pressure cooker. So I'm glad that I finally started doing it. And today's recipe is an eggless olive oil chocolate cake. If you don't have olive oil, don't worry, use regular oil or melted butter. I hope you like this recipe.
Okay, let's make this cake. We are going to need 1 cup maida, 3 tablespoons cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda, half cup olive oil. If you don't have olive oil, don't stress. You can use melted butter or any other vegetable oil. 1 cup powdered sugar, 1 cup milk, and half a cup of chocolate chips. So what I love about this recipe is that you just put everything in this blender. Let's give it a quick blitz. Just look at how nice and smooth and glossy that is. Now I added chocolate chips in this. I added Belgian chocolate because that was the last of my stash. But if you don't have Belgian chocolate, please feel free to use any kind of dark chocolate or milk chocolate that you have at home. I just feel like it adds a lot of texture to this cake. If you don't have any chocolate at home, you can skip it. So I'm just putting this in the pressure cooker. There is no salt underneath. I haven't put salt, I haven't put water. There's just a little ring and the cake goes on top of that. Make sure that you remove the ring from the lid and the whistle, and you close the pressure cooker and medium heat for about 30 to 35 minutes. So this cake is beautiful just like that. You don't really need a sauce or a dressing on top of it, but I really like making this dressing. So wait, can I even call it dressing? Wait, it's a sauce. It's very simple. Just going to melt this all down, cook it well, and then we're just going to pour this over our cake. So there you have it, guys. This is my chocolate olive oil cake. It's eggless. We made it in a pressure cooker. So happy baking. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.